What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is currently about 2:50ish, so we are going to be choring here in about an hour to 2 hours. I'm going to be taking you guys along to show you what we're going to be doing. And so guys, it is now chore time. So I'm gonna hang milkers and show you what our parlor looks like. Our parlor, it's a 6x6 herringbone. So most parlors you'll see it's a parallel. It's where it's like straight back, but the cows on a herringbone are sideways. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and hang all these milkers. So yeah. Now as you can see, all the milkers are hung. So yeah. We'll bring in cows now, and our parents aren't here yet, so we're not bringing in cows yet, but now, so me and my younger brother are gonna push up all the feed. Guys, pushing up feed is all done, so next we're gonna move on to bringing in the cows. Done bringing in cows, I am going to be giving the heifers right here and here some pellets. So next we're going to be putting straw in the barn, and that's what's going on right now. So yeah. Are done being fed. I know you guys didn't get to see me feed them. I kind of accidentally deleted a video, so yeah, they're all happy, so that's good.